Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, a beautiful picture here. This is sent in from Dabney Farmer, already out picking the strawberries. A beautiful afternoon to do that. Comfortably cool after what a cold start we had this morning. Now, it was 37 at the airport in Earlysville to start the morning. Afternoon high touching 63. Currently 62. We have a lot of high overcast cloudiness. It should make for a good sunset this evening, which happens right before 8 o'clock. Winds light out of the southeast. Air mass still very dry. 58 is the current number at the Valley Airport. That's pretty close to the actual high for the day after a morning low of 29. So it was plenty cold to start early this morning, but temperatures again averaging about 10 degrees below what you'd expect here for late April. 58 right now in Madison, 59 there in Louisa, 60 in Palmyra, 58 currently in Livingston, and 58 currently in Stanton. Tonight still cold, just not as cold as this morning. Upper 30s to around 40 across central Virginia, some middle 30s in the Shenandoah Valley. Still some sheltered areas may see some patchy frost, but it should not be as cold as what we awoke to this morning. Temperatures come up a few more degrees here for Wednesday afternoon with a mix of sun and clouds. Most of us will top out in the upper 60s to around 70, some upper 60s out to the west. Now, we start with sunshine. There'll be a buildup of some cloudiness during the afternoon. A weak front comes through. There is an outside chance of a stray shower, but most of us dry. Mix of sun and clouds here on Thursday with similar temperatures, upper 60s to around 70, and then temperatures go back down with a good likelihood of a wet Friday, and a couple of weather systems will impact the region as we move into the weekend. So again, Friday is really going to be a soaker at this point, and then we'll watch the timing as we go into the weekend. Don't think it'll rain continuously Saturday and Sunday, but we'll have a break in the action before those next bouts of rain. And right now, looking ahead cumulatively, Friday through Sunday, and this is the American GFS model, that's anywhere from 1.5 inches to over 2.5 inches of rain. The European model is anywhere from 1/2 inch to about 2.5 inches of rain. That would certainly be good news. Most of the region is classified as moderate drought conditions, and so we do need to get that moisture in the ground. There's a look at some of the high cloudiness across the region here this afternoon. Should make for a nice sunset. We have a cold front that's back across the Great Lakes. That will be working eastbound as we move into tomorrow, but it's running into a much drier air mass here, so not expecting much in the way of rain from that. And then our Friday system's coming off the front range of the Rockies into the Plain States. You can see a severe thunderstorm watch box across portions of the panhandle of Texas. This area of low pressure will lift up to the Great Lakes. Another one will develop off the coast, and the combination of those two features will bring us a good likelihood of rain here on Friday as we look ahead. So here we are in the morning. Temperatures climb out of the 30s and 40s, and then during the afternoon a little buildup of cloudiness, but again, outside of a stray shower, most of us are dry, upper 60s to around 70. Then we'll start Thursday morning in the upper 30s and low 40s. Thursday afternoon, similar temperatures, better chance of rain rolls in here on Friday. There we are in the morning. It looks to continue throughout much of the day with temperatures in the 60s across central Virginia, some upper 50s to the west. Tonight, mid 30s to around 40 under mostly clear skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures still below average here for the most part. Again, better likelihood of rain on Friday. Likely a break on Saturday before the atmosphere reloads with another storm system that could arrive here as we get into Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. We'll still watch the timing on that. It's only Tuesday, but again, we could finish the week certainly a lot wetter than where we started.
All right, we need it, Eric. Thank you.
Thank you so much.